Hello children, nice to meet you all in this video. Hope you are all fine. Today you are going to learn the first detail on answer in the history first lesson, that is outbreak of World War I and its aftermath. So what is the question? That is, what are the causes of the First World War? So the first one is the two major alliances. There were two major alliances that were secret alliances formed among the European nations. What was the purpose of these alliances? They wanted to help each other in case of any external aggression. If any other country invade them, these secret alliance countries, they will help each other. That was the purpose of this secret alliance. The first one is Triple Alliance that was formed by Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy, and it was signed in 1882. Next, the secret alliance is Triple Entente that was signed by England, France and Russia. It was signed in 1907. So there were two major alliances. These alliances played a key role in making the conflict a global one. So already there were tense situation that was heightened by these secret alliances. Next, we move on to the violent forms of nationalism. First of all, you must know what is nationalism. Nationalism is the love for one's own country. That is the unity felt by the people within the particular country. Okay, now this nationalism, the spirit of nationalism became intense. It was extreme in the 19th century. They had an attitude that my country, whether it is right or wrong, I support it. Okay, and as a result, there was some forms of violent nationalism that was formed in 19th century. That is jingoism in England, chauvinism in France, and culture in Germany. These are the violent forms of nationalism. That is, they supported the people, the premiers. They supported their country to the extreme level. They wanted their countries to be the first. Okay, next we move on to the aggressive attitude of German Emperor or Germany. So at that time, Wilhelm II was the German Emperor, and he told that he would be the leader of the world. Generally, Germans believed in the superiority of their Aryan race. They thought that Germany was the top country among the countries of the world. So they started developing their naval as well as the army. But already Britain was the queen of the seas. She was very strong in naval power. So both of them developed their navy, made them strong enough to face if there is any opposition or any war. So there developed enmity between Germany and Britain. This contributed to the First World War. Next is the hostility of France towards Germany. So France and Germany were old rivals, they were enemies. France lost Alsace and Lorraine to Germany already. But France and Britain, they reached an agreement regarding Morocco. But this was not liked by Germany. Germany told that the future of the Morocco should be decided by the international conference. Okay, next we move on to the imperial power politics in Balkans. What is the Balkan area? So Albania, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Serbia, Kosovo, Montenegro, Romania, North Macedonia, Slovenia, portions of Greece and Turkey. Okay, so in Balkans, Bosnia and Herzegovina was annexed by Austria. This was not liked by Serbia. Serbia showed its opposition, but Germany strongly supported Austria, and Germany told that if Austria would be attacked by any other power, Germany would come for help. Okay, this attitude also contributed to the outbreak of World War I. Next, we move on to the Balkan Wars. Okay, now in Balkan region, Ottoman Empire of Turkey was very strong, and this Turkey brought all these Balkan states under its control. But in the late half of 18th century, this Turkish Empire became weak. So the Balkan states, they started to secede from the control of Turkey. And Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria and Montenegro invaded Turkey and defeated her. This was called First Balkan War, which was fought in 1912. Treaty of London was signed as a result of this war. A new state of Albania was created and Macedonia was shared among the victorious powers. But Bulgaria was not satisfied with the shares what she got in this. So Bulgaria invaded on Serbia and Greece, and this was called as Second Balkan War. And Treaty of Bucharest was signed at the end of this war in 1913. Now let's move on to the immediate cause of the First World War. Austrian heir to the throne, Franz Ferdinand, was killed by a Bosnian Serb. Austria put blame on Serbia, but Serbia refused it. Austria also sent an ultimatum to Serbia, but Serbia did not care for it. So Austria declared war on Serbia. This was the starting of the First World War. So First World War started in 1914 and it came to an end in 1918. Okay children, I hope you could have understood the answer and easily you can write this in exam. Study well, shine well. If you like this video, subscribe it and share it to your friends. Meet you in the next video. All the best.